Installing the full version of Globe Visitors Land Cover. In the WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section at the top, click the Add New button, upload the previously purchased full version plugin. Archive Globe Visitors Land Cover to the site. Click Install, then activate. Go to Settings panel on the left. In the Settings drop-down window, click Globe Visitors. The plugin settings window will open. There will be a link like https://your_domain/visitors/index.html. This is the address of the page on your site where all visitors to your site, all pages, will be displayed and counted. The total visitor counter is eternal, in the drop-down list of cities -1000 major cities on the planet.